The switch statement is a more complicated version of the if statement, as it can execute one or more block of code depending on a range of conditions. Probably we will use that in a more complex program. So if statements allow us to choose between two options, true or false. When there are more than two options, we can use a multiply if statement, or we can use the switch statement. So switch allows us to choose between several options. The basic syntax of the switch statement is as follows, meaning we have the switch expression and then a list of case, a constant case 1, 2, 3 and more. The number of cases can be as many as we need, but each one should have, of course, a unique constant value. This is a simple example where we test the condition of some integer variable called power level. In case the power level is equal to 1, then switch on only one LED. In case the power level is equal to 2, then switch on 2 LEDs, and so on. Now, if there is no match with some constant expression, the statement associated with default keyword is executed.